Hey guys, what up Riddies? Alright, so today we're doing a social experiment or nature experiment, however you want to call it. We've laid down some bread and there's some birds over here. Yeah, so I got some more bread. If you look over there, we got a few scavengers. So we're gonna lay down.
They're coming. They're coming. Look.
Whoa.
Yeah, Riddy Rat.
Yeah. And who's that down there?
Better.
Yeah, that's our sidekick. He's our hoon. He keeps the birds away, but no, we let them go and eat all this bread. And I'm gonna run down there.
Look, there's one scavenger. He's trying.
I'm gonna run down there, Dad, and put down this whole loaf.
All right, go.
All right, let him go. Go down there. I'm drawing a circle, amen. All right, let's get out of here. Look down there. We get a good view. You can see him. See that? It's a ton of birds. A few minutes ago when we were just getting out here, there was nothing. Nobody to be seen. No birds to be seen, but like all the way down there. Yeah, so Palm Beach. Living the life down here.
Birds and bread.
Haribo gummies are good. Alright, bye guys. That was a short clip. See you guys next time. Please like and subscribe the video. Comment down below whatever you guys want if you wanted to be shouted.